Alright guys, you know, we've been tackling this old project here on this floor, removing the self-adhesive tile, and it is a job. This old home was built back in the late 70s. You can see it's got vinyl down. Somebody came in and already put tile on top of it, self-adhesive tile, and it's been there for years and years and years. This is a complete home makeover, and I have been fighting this along with my wife for the last 2 days trying to get this old tile up. But we did come up with a solution that helps us somewhat, and it's called Goof Off. It helps keep that old knife clean, and you know, it slides more quickly and easily underneath the tile once you're working with it. Before we was having trouble with it, the old gum would get on it and it'd go so far and it would just drag. You had a lot of problems with it. But yeah, this old Goof Off seemed to help us quite a bit. You know, everybody out there telling you, oh, there's easy ways to do it. Yeah, easy. No, there is no easy way to removing self-adhesive tile that's been on for years and years and years. But I'll show you real quick how we did it with this stuff, and it was the fastest and easiest way we could find. I just take the old Goof Off and I just spray it on the cracks. And on the front edge line where you're going to run that blade, and get your blade getting slick, and then slip it. Now we're going to have to go on top of this old tile. This already came up, and run that knife up underneath there like that. And you got to watch it, because sometimes you'll see in the picture here, I'm going to slice my finger a couple of times. Pull it back and just keep working it. Kind of peel the tile back if you can. You may have to respray that old knife one more time. Like I said, it's not easy, but this stuff does make it quite a bit easier. If you get it, you tear a piece off, go in and spray some more of that stuff there, hit your knife again, start you another line. Get it going again. Once you got that edge underneath there, kind of hold the knife straight in line with the floor. You just keep going, keep working it. Once you get a little edge going, sometimes it'll cooperate with you pretty well. I think the secret to it is keeping this knife clean so that it slides underneath the tile more easily. I'm going to hit this line here again. Hit my knife one more time. Let's see how this one works. You can tell that tile's been there a long time. It's rock solid. I don't know what's in this Goof Off, but I thought of trying all kinds of stuff, acetone, and just to clean the knife, and that didn't work. But back to the old Goof Off, you know, it seems to. Look at that. As you can see, I couldn't peel it off. Sometimes you may get underneath the old vinyl, just like I did right there. And it's going to come up. The old vinyl's in bad shape. But I'll just work on this other side and try to keep as much of the original vinyl that I can. You see, I can pull it out. But yeah, folks, that's the easiest way I found to get this stuff loose is using old Goof Off. Like I said, I tried many other different stuff, many other different products. Acetone, paint thinners, royal purple magic, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, next time you work with any of this old self-adhesive vinyl tile, try the Goof Off. You'll save yourself a bunch of times. Thanks for watching.